shwd i chi? Dydd Iau, Thursday. Dydd Iau. Dych chi'n iawn? Da iawn. Helen dwi. Croeso i'r Steddfod amgen. Croeso i wers 6. Croeso i lesson 6. Doi, yesterday, we learned how to use dichi, which is the way of saying are you or do you. If you're speaking definitely to more than one person, as someone would be when they were addressing from the Eisteddfod stage, for example, but also if you want to show a sign of respect to someone. Dichi. Dych chi'n hoffi? Dych chi'n gwylio? Dych chi'n canu? Dych chi'n dawnsio? Dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Yeah? And we answer ydw if we're speaking about ourselves, or ydyn if we're speaking about ourselves and someone else. Ydw, nac ydw, ydyn, nac ydyn. Yeah. So, heddiw, we're just going to build, and we're going to use the useful phrase, do you want? Nawr ta. Isie, which is to want in South Wales, is pronounced differently. Yn y Gogledd in North Wales. Isio. But because I'm De Cymru, South Wales, we'll concentrate on the isie. So it's like telling to someone, ish, ish, and then putting an e on the end. Isie. So, do you want? Dych chi isie? Dych chi isie? Dych chi isie? Dych chi isie? Try. Da iawn. Dych chi isie? So it's really handy. Yn y tŷ or yn yr Eisteddfod. Dych chi isie? We ask it all the time. Pop these words into a sentence for me. Or question rather. Dych chi isie coffi? Dych chi isie te? Dych chi isie bisgedi? Da iawn, dych chi isie bisgedi? One more. Dych chi isie brechdan? Right. Yn y tŷ, dwi'n yfed coffi. The others all drink tea. So we use the generic word paned. This is my no star cwpan. Yeah, my no star, good night. Yeah, but if you're just asking about a cuppa, we say paned, 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 paned. Dych chi eisiau paned? Dych chi eisiau paned? Dych chi eisiau paned? Dych chi eisiau paned? A chi? Da iawn. Of course we answer ydw, nac ydw, or quite often, oh, please, diolch, dych chi eisiau paned? Or, could be more generic than even a paned. We could ask someone, dych chi eisiau diod? Now, we've already learnt yfed yn y bar. Yfed is to drink. A drink is diod. 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 Dych chi eisiau diod? Da iawn. Or, of course, it could be this kind of diod. Yeah? Dych chi eisiau diod yn yr Eisteddfod? Dych chi eisiau diod yn y bar? How about, do you want an ice cream? Dych chi eisiau hufen iâ? Paned? Dych chi eisiau paned? Diod? Dych chi eisiau diod? Hufen iâ? Dych chi eisiau hufen iâ? Answer me truthfully. Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi eisiau paned? Dych chi eisiau diod? Dych chi eisiau hufen iâ? Da iawn. And of course, we can also say wyt ti eisiau. Yeah? Wyt ti eisiau? Dych chi eisiau. Iawn. So, let's learn something new. We've done quite a few verbs. We've done to learn Welsh, dysgu Cymraeg, to eat, bwyta, to drink, yfed. Da iawn. Heddiw, we're going to learn mynd, to go. Yeah, handy. So, do you want to go? Dych chi eisiau mynd? Dych chi eisiau mynd? Dych chi eisiau mynd? Let's go back to the Eisteddfod. Where would we want to go? Dwi'n dangos y sgrin I chi. Okay, right back. Gwers 3. We saw y pavilion, yeah, yn yr Eisteddfod. Have a listen. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pavilion? To is I, and to the, i'r. Is too difficult to say again, too many vowels. So, becomes i'r. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pavilion? Just repeat. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pavilion? Da iawn. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pavilion? Ble nesa? A ceremony. Ask me, do I want to go to the ceremony? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r ceremony? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r ceremony? Ble nesa? Ask me, do I want to go to the crowning? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r caroni? Ble nesa? Ask me if I want to go to the tŷ gwerin, to hear the canu gwerin, gwenyn gibad, gwilym. Do you want to go to the tŷ gwerin? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r tŷ gwerin? Fan hufen iâ. Yeah, fan hufen iâ. Ask me if I want to go there. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r fan hufen iâ? A bar. Ask me if I want to go to the bar. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r bar? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r bar gwyrdd, the green bar? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r bar gwyrdd? And a new one. Now then, we've already had pentref dysgu Cymraeg, the Learn Welsh Village. Well, easy peasy. Pentref drama, the drama village. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pentre drama? Da iawn. And ask me, do I want to go to the Learn Welsh Village? Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pentre dysgu Cymraeg? Let's go through those again. You ask me, do I want to go there? And I'll answer you. The pavilion. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pavilion? Ydw. The ceremony. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r ceremony? Ydw. The crowning. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r caroni? Ydw. The bar. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r bar? Ydw. The tŷ gwerin. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r tŷ gwerin? Ydw. The drama village. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pentre drama? Ydw. And finally, the Learn Welsh Village. Dych chi eisiau mynd i'r pentre dysgu Cymraeg? Ydw, wrth gwrs, of course. Ydw, wrth gwrs. So, dyna ni. That's our new patterns for today. But we must finish counting up to 10. So, let's do up to 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three left. 8, 8, 8, 8. Try it. 8. Can you see the shape of my mouth here? 8, 8. Da iawn. 8. 9. Yeah, 9. 9. So if I wanted an ambulance, I'd ffonio 9, 9, 9. 8, 9, 8, 9. A chi? Da iawn. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 10. 10. 8, 9, 10. Let's go from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da iawn. Maybe one handy phrase to go along with these would be o'r gloch. O'r gloch. Of the bell. O'r gloch, which means off clock, own clock. O'r gloch, yeah? O'r gloch. So, 1 o'clock. 1 o'r gloch. BBC News in the evening, gyda Hugh Edwards. 10 o'r gloch. Early evening news is usually 6 o'r gloch. Yeah, normally in the Eisteddfod, lots of concerts would start at 8 o'r gloch. Da iawn. So, heddiw, today, we've learned the useful phrase, dych chi eisiau. Dych chi eisiau. Dych chi eisiau. But also remember, you can also use with un person, wyt ti eisiau. Wyt ti eisiau. Wyt ti eisiau. But dwi eisiau mynd nawr. Sorry. Hwyl. Gwelech chi fory.